on me. Get your big man on me.
Yo, see guys. So today we are back on Subway Surfers, but now we are going to play Subway City. Subway Surfer City, alright? So chat, that's what we're going to be doing today. I was supposed to give you this video a long time ago, but something went wrong and it said this cannot go on your device. But then I realized I just had to do something, and then after that back is now on my device. Anyways, let's lock in. Man, bro, I'm about to combust right now. I don't know why. Oh, we're on the chase. We're on the chase, bro. This literally looks so realistic. Oh, bro, this literally. Why does this actually look realistic? Why does this look hard? It's harder. The movements feel realer. Wait, hold on. The movements feel realer, bro. The move, okay. I feel like this is an upgrade from the normal Subway Surfers. I am going to rate this, by the way, to see which one is better, Subway Surfers or Subway Surfers City. And yeah. What are these, bro? What is these? Activate hoverboard. Yo, wait. This is actually sick. This is actually sick. So you don't just get to the point anytime. You actually have to like find things. Like, that's actually sick. I feel like this makes the game better. Yo, anyways, let's lock in. Yeah, bro. I feel like this is basically a Subway Surfers, but just better. It's the same mechanics, right? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's different mechanics and stuff. So far, yo, wait, what? That is actually fire. Wait, never mind. The mechanics are not the same, bro. Holy, why is that? That was actually, that was a fire right now. Yeah, oh. Hold on. Jump. Hold on. What do you do, mommy? Woo! Come with me, happen. Come with me, happen. Come with me, happen. Yeah, come with me, happen. Come with me, happen. Yeah, come with me, happen. 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 Yeah. Happen. Jump. Right, the mechanics are not the same. And in the first Subway Surfers, I did tell you some things. So let me just tell you some more things about me. So this is actually Arcatani. Oh, what the FIFA? Anyways, guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna tell y'all about. Oink, oink, oink. At least it's, at least it's, at least, at least there's a new death animation. Whoa! Wait, why does this actually look so cool? I continue. Alright, now I see why this game's going crazy, bro. This why I see. I let me tell you a secret about TK Plays. You know TK Plays. He's actually in my room right now. Say sup. Yo, he's in my room right now. And so if all them sounds and Baby Shark, that's all him. Yo, chill out. Always surfers. I have now unlocked surfers. This
I'll
was
surf my surf.
Subway surf my surf.
Oh,
And there's
let me get
F5.
Alright, my bad.
Alright, so we upgraded Jake to level 2. Let me see this. Wait, why does this actually look so fire? This is literally. Why does this actually look so tomographic, right? This looks so tomographic.
Yo, can I try my?
Let's play a game.
Hold on,
I
let's see.
this CK plays.
Hold on. The CK took over. Hold on. Ooh. 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 It's getting spicy over here.
Bro, the game just started.
Ooh, it's getting spicy. What the?
Jump. What the fuck is that?
Oh, they have sick animations, bro.
They have more mechanics. Jump, bro.
Oh.
Jump.
Oh.
Why are you making those stars? Oh, you missed it. Equip the hoverboard.
Oh, I'm supposed to get that. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Wait, bro, actually lock in.
Yeah, I'm hacking the game.
Let's go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Money.
Mama, I'm a criminal.
Money.
Mama, I'm a criminal.
Ah.
Mama, I'm not a criminal.
Certified gambler. Yeah.
Yo, gum, bubble gum.
What does the gum do?
It's bouncing, we're bouncing.
Oh, we're bouncing.
We're bouncing.
Oh, we're bouncing. We're bouncing. Oh, dang.
We're bouncing.
Wait, hold on. We're bouncing. Boing, 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 boing. Oh. Ah.
Wait.
Now we're still living. Yeah. Oh, we're still living. We're still living.
We live today, we live tomorrow.
Money. We live today, we live tomorrow. When there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah.
I'm about to jump.
Oh
yeah.
I caught that is good.
Alright, that means like people.
Oh, another chance.
Now when the gummies combust my insides.
We're combusting.
My insides are present.
Yeah. Daddy, shark, you do it. Alright, let me stop. I'm not kindergarten. I'm not gay. I think.
Certified gay boy, certified what?
Certified.
Yeah, bro.
Well,
Yeah, bro. Yeah, watch, hold on.
Oh, the kids. Yeah. The kids. Hey, yo.
What about the kids, bro?
The kids, bro.
You touch kids?
You touch kids?
No, you do.
No, bro. You parents touch kids.
No, I don't touch kids. I touch women. No, scratch it. No, hold on.
Anyways, this not kids. Yeah, this not kids. Yeah, don't. Yo, whoever typing, who's typing in the comments? Yo. Anyways, level 2, bro. Anyways, just leave it at level 2, bro. Alright. Come on, bro, for real. Wait. City tour missions. Oh, what is missions? Guys, I wish I just complete this so this video doesn't be as long. And we can upgrade. I wanna teach you guys a fun fact real quick, right? But bro, I like when
Oh my gosh.
So basically when Subway Surfers came up, bro, I used to play this every day. And fun fact, I was actually on the leaderboard.
Stop the kid.
Back in the day, 2020, you know?
Stop the kid.
Bro, you never knew me, bro. That was before I started.
Nah, you were.
No! Oh! In 2020 was crazy, man.
You could give us one out, like.
This video gets like okay. This video gets 50 views. I'm gonna reveal how old I am.
Man, 50, that's easy, man.
50 views, bro.
At least 1,000.
No, 50 views, bro. I'll do it.
Okay.
Wait, I feel like I just trapped myself.
Ow!
You good?
Nah, bro, I almost combusted my neck.
What's it called? The fence?
No, what the feds do?
Huh?
It was quite and only. Not sure. No, scratch it. No, editor block that. What do you say? No, nothing.
I like chicken.
Yo, bro, what they talking about? Why me? Watch my meat. Watch my meat. Watch my meat.
No, it's not like that. Like, we love meat, right? Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Bro, I can get here right now. Let's strat. I should be I should be a champion.
Yeah.
Bro, you never knew me.
No.
I'm joking. Alright. No more 50 views. No more 50 views. I want
Nah, you already put it on the table, bro. Nah. You already put it on the table. You spot out. Where do you live?
I live in the USA.
Nice.
TK, please, where do you live?
I live in J.
What do you mean, J? What is J?
I live in Pennsylvania. No, so I live in Texas.
Guys, fun fact about GameSpot, I'm Portuguese.
Tomorrow I'm flying back.
Flying back where?
Flying back to California.
Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah! Give me Squad to Squad on top.
Shout out TK Plays.
Alright, peace!